We're gonna go all the way down this alley. This is all in one line for cookies. Amazing. This must be it. Right here. Okay. So I'm going to show you this right here. There's this big long line of people. It's amazing. At the end of the video, I'm going to walk through that line. Before we even do, we're going to start over that way and just walk all the way down to the end of this street and all the way down here. It's Zhongshan. My first time to come here, and I was really surprised by that long line as well. And we got all these kind of cool little shops. So anyways, I'm going to take you on a nice little trip and let you see what Zhongshan looks like. At least this street anyways. And I usually do film street by street, by the way. Wow, that cookie place, amazing. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, we're kind of in this cool little neighborhood. It's called Taipei Street, and we're just gonna go walk all the way down. Got some nice alleys everywhere around here, and I believe this is also near a university here as well. And I got this kind of nice thing right here too. Got a coffee shop, all kinds of cool stuff. Look at that little balcony up there. What I'm gonna do is just kind of highlight. So we got this place here, and then this is Taipei Street, lane 49. We're just gonna walk all the way down it a little bit. Yeah, it looks like kind of a nice kind of art university area. Some beer here. It's gonna go all the way down. Orion, you see. It's like kind of a neon cafe, bar. Man, all kinds of cool stuff. And I believe that's a university down that way. Feels like it. Wow. Taipei is just kind of a cool city. I just feel like there's this, like I can't even take it all in. There's like so much cool stuff everywhere. So go all the way down. Big motorcycle. That's kind of cool. Wow. There's like little alleys down here all the way down. So I guess this is Taipei, and then there's all these different lanes. Actually, it'd be tempting just to go down in any one of these. This reminds me so much of Taipei. Has its similarities with Seoul and Tokyo and such. It's like has all that same cool factor everywhere. Check out that little place like that. And you got more all the way down these lanes too. You could probably explore any of these lanes and they'd be awesome. Little thing like that here. Wow. It's just probably walked down about 2 minutes, but there's more cool stuff all the way down here too. Huh. I was just in Ximending. This is the first time I've been out of the Ximending. I actually just got here late last night, and so it's kind of cool just checking out all these different neighborhoods. Huh. This reminds me so much of all the coolness that's in Seoul. Wow. Shining Guy. Cool name. Shiny guy with a bear on it. Looks like we're gonna come up to the end of the street, coming up here. Huh. It's all kinds of cool stuff. Like Like all that stuff down that way looks pretty cool. Zhongshan Metro Mall. Okay. Zhongshan Metro Mall. Zhongshan is cool. Korea flowers. More cool stuff down that way too. Wow. Okay. Minsheng West Street. I think that's that street that goes all the way down. So we're just gonna walk down this direction. Check it all out. Wow. Wow, Taipei is kind of regret I only got 4 days here. I'm gonna have to come back here and film a lot more. In case you don't know, I usually live in Macau and Hong Kong. I'm in Taipei just filming, and I want to check out the city. I have lived in Seoul and Osaka and another city in Japan as well, Niigata. And I always really liked those cities. And Taipei is just as cool. Like, it's super, love it. Okay. Just all this kind of interesting stuff everywhere. Tons of alleys everywhere. Huh. Really like it a lot. I feel like I'm just not going to see anywhere near as much as I'd love to see in this city. And actually I see a lot of YouTubers, but I don't really capture. I've never really seen that looking as, it even looks way better in person, and it looked pretty good in people's videos already. Huh. You just see this whole alley is oh, they just sell cookies here. Wow, look how we're gonna go all the way down this alley. This is all in one line for cookies. Amazing. This must be incredible. So we're gonna go all the way down to the end. Wow. Wow. So that's one long line right there. Those must be some amazing cookies. Wow. That is just so cool. Can't get over that. Wow. Okay, so I think we're near university. Wow, that's so funny. I would have, I could have easily just stayed in Ximenjing and just thought that was like, that was already the place to be. And then I come over here and it's like, wow. I heard Zhongshan had some cool stuff, but wow. Anyways, I'm really impressed. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of checking out this little area. Something a little bit different. This is the Mario days of cookies. Man, that's amazing. But yeah, we got all this kind of lively, cool stuff. Still can't get over how long that line is though. Wow. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go. Toma cuidado la voz